How to buy Zedge credits and unlock premium content. First of all, open the Zedge app and tap on the profile icon labeled My Zedge at the bottom right corner. Make sure you are logged into your Zedge account. Next, tap on the credits button at the top right within your profile page. You will see various credit packages available for purchase. Choose the package that fits your needs. Follow the prompts to complete the payment using your preferred method such as Google Pay, credit card, or other options. Once your credits are added, you can use them to unlock premium wallpapers, ringtones, live wallpapers, and other exclusive content. When browsing premium content, simply tap the unlock or purchase button and confirm to use your credits. Using credits lets you access high quality, unique content without ads or restrictions. Now you know how to buy Zedge credits and unlock premium content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.